Hi guys, and welcome back.
Welcome
So
back.
we're going to do a little food haul of our
You know that.
our favorite snacks from Walmart. So
Yeah.
Lila's gonna show you her little snacks, and we have these our favorite noodles and our favorite wontons.
So today we got this.
Yes.
And there's the instructions on the back. Even some videos, even the video you can watch just in case you don't know how to make it. And these are the
Instructions?
Yep. And so right now we're eating this right now. Oh, there's an opening.
You got it?
Okay. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, delicate. The strawberry baggies.
Ooh, that smells good.
What feeling?
Thank you.
I want to try one too.
Good. Okay.
Good stuff.
Let me show you what the packages look like. Look at it.
Yeah, put it in one of these two sections. Either the blue one, either the red one.
I did the blue one.
Okay. Right here? Okay, rip it along the top. And put the water.
Oh.
And you mix it with a spoon. Seems pretty messy.
God, Camila's pulling my hair. Stop it, Mama.
Cool. It's so good.
All right, so right now we're just cooking these. We got my shrimp, so I'm gonna add these in. I'll eat them. They're like technically cooked. We have our sauce. Oopsies. Bye guys. See you in our next video.